I'll just re-emphasise that praising your dog when and where praise is due, as often as is good to do so, is important because praising of your dog um, as often as necessary uh, creates the relationship you have with your dog and lets your dog know that you appreciate it. Well, this has been Malcolm and Quiet, and for now we are signing off, and we certainly do wish you well with your pets, and particularly your dogs. Bye for now. Further to this dog obedience sequence of videos, audio videos, I should thank my parents. They allowed me to take two of their dogs to dog obedience, South Australian dog obedience at Petrie Gully, which got me started and showed me how enjoyable it is and beneficial. So I thank my parents and I thank the South Australian Dog Obedience Association.